that second chapter we have to discuss this electric potential and capacitance, and you must be knowing the electric field. Electric field बारे में तुम लोग सब जान चुके हैं. The charge, whenever the charge is placed here, and you will be finding the electric field will be created around the charge. The electric field will be created around the charge, and that electric field can be defined by two characteristics. One is the electric field intensity, another is the electric potential. Electric field intensity, field intensity and potential. By means of that electric field intensity and potential, that electric field can be defined clearly. And you know, from the electric field intensity, it is the force experienced on a unit positive test charge by placing at that point, electric field intensity at a point. And similarly, that what is coming here, the potential, electric potential, that term in the electric field is that term which is giving you that idea about how the charges are flowing from one point to another point through the circuit, through a conductor. And that potential and potential difference is responsible for the flow of current through the conductor. So our target is that what is that potential and potential difference between the 2 points in the electric field. So electric potential at a point in an electric field is the work done in bringing the unit positive test charge from infinite to that point against the electrostatic force. Students, you just see it here. Already I have shown the diagram here. A test charge plus Q is placed here. One test charge plus Q is here, and it is creating the electric field around the plus Q charge. This is the source charge. This is the source charge, and it is creating electric field. And if the source charge is a positive charge, and at a particular point A, you will be finding the electric force which will be directed outward. How do you know it? Suppose if you put it here test charge, unit positive test charge, if you keep it here, then plus Q charge will repel the test charge outward. Means the electric force will be experienced on the test charge outward, so that electric field intensity will be directed outward. So you know from the previous chapter that electric force, that is equal to Q naught into E, and E equal to electric field intensity, the magnitude of E equal to electric force upon Q naught. You know it, and F equal to Q naught into E. Means the electric force will be acting on the test charge that is directed outward. Our target is that we have to bring the test charge, from infinite. Suppose here you get the infinite, from infinite to a particular point. Infinite to particular point, you have to bring the test charge against the electric field. And how much amount of work is done per unit charge, that is considered as the electric potential at that point. So what happens here? Suppose on the way you just take 2 points A and B. A and B are the 2 points. If you bring the test charge from A to B, what will happen? You are bringing, means the external agent is bringing the test charge from A to B. What will happen? That electric force will repel that external force, that test charge. And if you are bringing the test charge from A to B, so some amount of work will be done. What amount of work will be done? So WAB, that will be equal to F external dot dx vector, because you are taking the test charge from A to B. We have taken the distance, that is equal to dx. As you are taking the distance dx, and the force experience is F. You know from the class 11 that F dot dx equal to work done. So work done by the external force F external dot dx. Clear? and already you have taken the integration, means the total work done. We are calculating the total work done in taking the test charge from A to B. That limit is taken from A to B. Clear? But you know that F external equal to minus FE. जो external force apply हो रहा है by the external agent, and that force is opposite to that of the electric field, and you are taking the charge slowly so that the charges should not be accelerated. The charges should not be accelerated. So F external will be equal to minus Fe. So WAB equal to minus, in place of F external we are putting minus Fe. So minus is taken out, the minus Fe dot dx, and integration from A to B, and that is equal to, because Fe equal to, you know it, that is Fe equal to Q naught into E, and that is equal to minus Q naught E vector dot ds vector, integration from A to B. So what you are getting it, so WAB upon Q naught, WAB upon Q naught, that is equal to minus E vector dot ds vector, integration from A to B. This is the work done per unit charge. This is the work done per unit charge. What was our definition? Our definition was that it is the work done to bring the unit positive test charge from infinite to that point against the electrostatic force, against the electric force without acceleration. So we are finding work done per unit charge, because Q naught is divided, that is WAB divided upon Q naught, that is means work done per unit charge, that is equal to minus E vector dot ds from A to B. Suppose if that point A will be taken to infinite, if we are taking the point A to infinite, means the test charge is brought from infinite to point B. So what will be this formula? So W infinite to point B upon Q naught, this will be equal to minus E vector dot ds vector, integration from infinite to B. So what is this formula? So this formula equal to potential at point B, because from infinite to B तक ला रहे, तो B point पे definition हो रहा है that the total work done per unit charge, that is equal to VV equal to minus E vector dot ds vector, integration infinite to B. बच्चों बहुत important thing that this formula you have to use it because of E vector dot ds vector, that is the electric field and potential at a point. Potential at a point means that we are finding the potential difference, or we are calculating the work done per unit charge by taking the charge from infinite to point B. So in the same manner also, if you find the potential difference, if you find what is the potential difference between the 2 points, so potential difference between 2 points, we can write it directly, because of in place of, if you talk about the A and B, VV minus VA. So if you talk about the potential difference that is told as the PD, potential difference between 2 points is the work done in bringing the unit positive test charge from one point to another point. Whenever the charge is brought from one point to another point, the difference of potential is called the potential difference, and we write it as the VV minus VA, that is equal to WAB upon Q naught. This is one formula. There is the potential difference. So we are finding VV minus VA equal to WAB upon Q naught, and potential equal to potential at point, if you talk about, that is equal to minus integration of E vector dot ds vector from infinite to B. This very interesting thing is that, and qualitatively if you think for the potential, qualitatively that is the work done per unit, work done to bring the test charge from infinite to that point per unit charge. So that is the potential at that point. Students, that you should remember only the two formulas here to calculate the all type of potential and potential differences. That potential equal to, from this formula you are finding, so V equal, from the class 10 you must be knowing the qualitative formula, that is V equal to W by Q. Without understanding the concept, simply you know that is V equal to W by Q. Same thing I am explaining here. The potential at a point means the work done which will be done from, work will be done by bringing the test charge from infinite to that point, infinite to that particular point. So at point B, So we are finding the potential equal to V equal to W upon Q, and potential difference VB minus VA equal to WAB upon Q naught. And the important formula is that if you remember this formula, it is very applicable for you, that if you remember this formula, that is VB equal to minus infinite to B E dot B. So this indicates, if you talk about the VB minus VA, if you talk about the VB minus VA, potential difference equal to integration of, that is from A to B minus E vector dot ds vector. It is very important formula, and on the basis of this important formula, we can solve the different types of problem. So you know it from the above discussion. You must be knowing about what is the unit of the potential. Potential and potential difference is having the same unit, that is the volt. So that is equal to volt, and 1 volt equal to, you know, that is 1 volt equal to, because from this formula W equal to joule and Q is the coulomb. So you are finding 1 volt equal to 1 joule for 1 coulomb. So potential or potential difference. So don't be confused. Potential at a point means the potential difference between the infinite and that point. Potential difference between 2 points means that is in between the VA and B, VB minus VA. That is the potential difference between the 2 points. From the above diagram, you just look on here. That's very important formula. This formula, what it tells? Potential difference E vector or ds vector from A to B and minus sign indicates. From the above diagram, if you just look it here, if you bring from infinite, so somebody may be asking why it is from the infinite, because at infinite you must be we are having the electric field is to be considered 0. From here to here, if you bring it, at B the potential will be more and A the potential will be less, but electric field is directed in this direction. From this, one CBSE question always asks, so what will be the that is how the potential and potential difference, how the electric field and potential difference are related. So VB minus VA equal to minus A to B E dot dx. In that manner it is related. And another time questions also comes, particularly even if the direction will be shown here, electric field is along, showing the electric field is like that, and 2 points will be given, A and B will be there. So the question will be asking you at A and B where the potential is more. So no doubtly the potential is more at A, because if you move along the direction of the electric field intensity, in the direction of the electric field intensity, potential reduces gradually. Potential reduces gradually is very important. Sometimes like that also, different electric field will be shown here, and 2 points will be given here, A and this will be the B. This will be the B and this will be the C. Sometimes the question asks you that from the point A, B, C, where the potential is more. Where the potential is more, the answer will be the potential will be more at A, because potential always reduces, decreases in the direction of the electric field. This is all about, and overall that I am telling you that 2 formulas, V equal to W upon Q, and potential difference VB minus VA equal to WAB upon Q naught, and VB minus VA equal to minus E dot dx integration of A to, because that was just potential difference. VB is greater one, greater potential minus lower potential, that is you are taking it from lower to upper. So this formula and this formula and this formula, these 3 formula you remember it. In the next video I will give you some questions that is basing on these formulas only. Thank you.